Welcome to a new video and a new week. I'm Soph, checking in here. I hope that your summer is treating you well. We're heading into a new month now. That's fun. And I'm on my second Aries books. I'm reading some Aries books right now. And I'm finding some cool new gems. Are you guys reading something cool too? If you're new here, I'm Soph. I do vlogs and I also talk about books and read books and all that jazz, if you like that stuff. We are gonna head out and enjoy the summer and see if we can find some blue skies, some buildings, some nature, and all that jazz. So thank you so much for being here. And let's go outside, okay? Yes.
I took a breath of fresh air. Took in the view at the top. I took a lock of her golden hair. I took a look, it was gone. If living is giving, I'm ready. I'm willing. I took her heart 'cause she let me. I took a walk in the dark. I took some time to decide if it was right.
Hello. Hi, it's me. Wow. How you guys doing? How you holding up? What's up? I'm just chilling at the sofa right now. I did some dishes, you know, that fun adult stuff you have to do. And I had so much dishes to do, but it's because I've been outside a lot, which is neat. And I come home really late and I have no energy or will to do the dishes. So now I did them. Applause for me. Yay! And for you who did the dishes too, right? Right? But because why I've not done the dishes, I mean, it's laziness. But also now when it's the summer outside, it's bright for so long, you know? And I'd rather be outside doing fun activities than go inside. Like I've been coming home around 8 p.m. ish each day this week, and the sun is not setting until like 10 p.m. here, so very nice. I will say that in Sweden during summertime the sun sets really late. 10 is pretty late in my opinion, but it's even that it sets even later at certain points, like at 11 or 11:30. Some insane places in the Nordic region, it's kind of like the sun never sets during summertime. It's insane. It's like, you know, if you watch the movie Midsummer, the horror movie, which is a great representation of Sweden, That's it. It's sunny. It's shining. The sun is. It never gets dark. But then winter rolls around and we get darkness for at least half a year or more, and it gets dark really early. But anyways, it's summer now, so when the summer is out, the sweets are out. That's how it is. We've been in hibernation for way too long. Wintertime hibernation. Hibernation time is done after winter when it's summer. So just wanted to ramble a little bit about that. And I don't know how it is where you guys are at, but here at least we really appreciate summer. We appreciate summer so much. It's the peak of the thing of the year, so people want to be outside, they want to catch that sun, they want to go swim, they normally want that. We can get those really intense summer days, like intense heat, but it's not a huge issue here. Like, it's rarely harmful for us being outside during the summer, or like we don't get that humid heat as often. We got that dry heat. It's not like a tropical heat, basically. So it's not so bad. Summer! And it's nice to take you guys out with me during the summer, and I hope you guys like all the nature. And that stuff, we will do that as long as it's bright and not too cold, Yeah, gotta appreciate the nature. And that's also like a thing that I never really thought about until I moved to Japan. I lived in Tokyo for a bit, and it was great. Love it. Great memories, great experience. Learned a lot of stuff. But something I never thought about during when I lived there was that I really missed like the forest or the woods or like greenery stuff. And I really missed that stuff. And I wouldn't say that I'm a camping person, like an outdoors, like in the forest, in the woods person at all. But like growing up like this and living like this my whole life, you get so accustomed to have everything near you so easily, so available. Like there are parks here and there are trees here and there. Like you can find nature everywhere here is how I feel like. And whenever you move or live in a place where that's not so much available, or like it's available but just certain points, it's not like you see trees and you really miss that stuff, I guess I'm a camper after all, or something. Anyways, just want to check in, ramble about that stuff. Got some rain on me, that's why my bank looks like this, but I'm gonna shower and clean that stuff up. Let's keep heading out. Okay, see you outside. Hello, hi, what's up? I'm checking in here and I thought it would be fun if I would discuss or share a little bit about my filming process, how I do things. Once again, I'm very new at this YouTube stuff, not a pro by any means, but I'm gonna share what kind of stuff I use, very vaguely, easy. So first things first, hello, hi, come closer. You are on my phone. I'm using my phone to record me talking right now. I find it when I use my phone, the audio is better, and also the colors are a little bit better. They're a little bit more poppy. So I use my iPhone for audio stuff, but your girlie just got 64 gigabytes memory, so I'm struggling to have room on my phone all the time. So therefore I use camera. Whenever I film B-roll, or like whenever I am outdoors filming trees, flowers, water, skies, you name it, I use this one. This is a Sony camera, Sony Cybershot something. I don't know the full title, but yeah, it's a Sony one. It's quite handy. It's pretty small, as you guys can see. It got one of those flippy screens, flip-flop. There you go. And yeah, I have had this bad boy since 2015, 2016 maybe. So it's pretty old. Like, it's not the newest gear and the newest tech, so it doesn't have the most, I don't know, popping colors or high definition stuff. I tried to record with this one talking one time. You guys can probably find it on YouTube, where I went like, hello, I'm using a camera, and I did that. Oh. But the audio is pretty bad on this, which makes sense. This using a microphone on a camera. Like, you need to pop in one external microphone with a little fuzzy thing to make it sound better. So therefore I'm not using it for talking so much, because the audio is way better on my iPhone than on this bad boy. So anyways, B-roll stuff, filming outside, using this. And yeah, it's not heavy, pretty small, and it's also great because sometimes I'm using my phone to like talk to people, like I'm on the phone with my family or whatever when I'm outside walking, and when I'm doing that I can't film on my phone, like it's not physically possible. So I just bring out this little bad boy, and then I take all the footage from the camera and also my iPhone, and I edit on the computer, as Ted would say, from scraps. This is what I use and how I do things. Still very new at this stuff, but I thought it would be fun to share. So take that with a grain of salt. Let's keep head outside, using the camera, film some stuff, and yeah, thank you for listening to the rambles. Let's go outside. Yeah.
One night to be confused, one night to speed up truth. We had a promise made, 4 hands and then away. Both under influence, we had divine sense to know what to say. Mind is a razor blade to call for hands of above to lean on. Would it be good enough for me now? One night of magic rush, the start a simple touch. One night to push and scream, and then relief. 10 days of perfect tunes, the colors red and blue. We had a promise made, we were in love. Took off our hands of above to lean on. Wouldn't be good enough for me. Took off our hands of above to lean on. Wouldn't be good enough. And you knew the hand of the devil. And you kept us awake with wolves' teeth, sharing different heartbeats in one life. Took off our hands of above to lean on. Wouldn't be good enough.
Hi! Welcome to the end of the vlog. Or if you just made it here to the end, welcome! Yes, I'm having my glasses on. I'm gonna go in and edit all the footage from this week. This week was a bit shorter. I didn't have as much time to film, but hopefully I can film more for the next week or something like that. I want to say thank you so much for joining this week. I will see you guys in the next week. I have some really fun ideas and projects going on for my book videos, if you guys are into that. Otherwise, these vlogs are not going away, so I'm still here, I'm not leaving. So no worries about that stuff. So yeah, just excited about new projects and all these ideas in my head. Thank you so much for being here and liking the videos and subscribing and doing all that stuff. And I will see you guys in the next one, okay? And I hope you're doing great and having an amazing summer. Bye bye guys, and see ya!